Here are the life hacks I learned from a genius. The second one is very practical. 1. Ring stuck on finger. Don't pull hard. Cut a broom straw. Fold the straw, thread it through the ring. Then thread a string through the straw. Pull the string into the ring like this. Wrap the string around your finger. Pull the string tail. The ring will slide off easily. 2. A dentist once told me this brushing trick. Mix water with vinegar. Soak your toothbrush in it. Then add some salt and toothpaste. Even yellow teeth can turn bright white. 3. After living for 30 years, I finally learned that a playing card can separate mosquito coils, and a nail clipper can be used as a stand. 4. When you come across a puddle, wrap your shoes in plastic wrap. This way you can walk through the puddle without getting your shoes wet, and keep them clean. 5. If your shoes are too small, don't throw them away. Put them in 2 trash bags. Fill them with water and freeze them overnight. The next day you'll be able to wear them comfortably. 6. Grandpa told me that if you get a splinter in your toe, don't dig it out with a needle. Press a clove of garlic onto the splinter, and secure it with tape. After about 10 minutes, the splinter will come out on its own. 7. A kid tied your wrist with a zip tie. Do not cut it with scissors. Use pliers to pinch the zip tie latch. It pops open easily. 8. No trash can, no problem. Turn a stool upside down and cover with a trash bag. Instant trash bin, perfect for emergencies.